installing this rainbow film. It's not perfect. Can definitely see the line, but I mean, it didn't like fit over the whole window, so I did the best I could. This was super easy. I'll put the link down below for this stuff. But yeah, we just needed a little more privacy. It'll be nice to be able to open our bathroom window so our plants can get light, but not everyone can just like see our business, you know? I cleaned the toilet, I cleaned the sink. I still need to do the shower, but I'm gonna run to Target and get some better cleaning stuff to do so, because it's really hard to get the grime off of the shower walls. And then I still need to do the floors, but yeah, bathroom is coming along. I'm just really happy with the rainbow. It looked so pretty.
2 hours later.
Target haul.
Yeah! Oh, beautiful kitty. Look what I got for you boys. You ready? You want to see me scratch your puppy?
Put some catnip on it. Tissues, but cute tissues. Yeah! Go get your scratcher. Instant, dude. Chris got a tote bag to screen print on.
I'm Chris, by the way.
And a box to paint. Fabric softener. Dish soap. Bathroom cleaner so I can continue what I was doing. I got a new toilet scrubber because I hate the one that we have. Let's see, tape, food, and another really exciting thing. So our soap dispenser in the bathroom broke, and believe it or not, Chris picked these ones out. They're really blown out, but they're beautiful. They have like kind of like a speckled pattern on it. So I went ahead and got the matching set. I figured I might as well. I really like the wood ones, but yeah, these are gonna look nice, and the silver matches too. So more mailers for his company. And then what I'm excited about is I got towels. I got new towels for the bathroom. They're pink, and they're gonna match my paintings a lot better than the green. I like the green towels, but honestly, they're kind of falling apart. I'm really disappointed. So yeah, I went ahead and got pink ones, and I love them. And for the grand finale, we saw this ottoman. I guess is what you would say it's called. Yeah, it's an ottoman. We found this ottoman, which I've been wanting one for a really long time, for when we sit in the chair to kind of put our feet on. It can also be if anyone wants to sit on it, because it's nice and sturdy. Yeah, this is awesome, love. Yeah, we've been talking about getting an ottoman for a while, and we saw it there, and we were both just kind of like, fuck it. It was like 60 bucks, which is pretty average, but it looks really cute, so I'm really happy. Now we're gonna smoke a bowl. I'm gonna eat some food, and then I'm gonna get back to cleaning, and he's gonna skate. As you guys already saw, because I know I didn't do like a proper intro, but I started cleaning my bathroom, hung up the rainbow film, and then we had to run to Target because I needed more cleaner and like a couple of other little things. Now that I am fully marinated, I'm ready to do the rest of my cleaning, tidy up, all of that. So I really just need to put the rest of this stuff from Target away, and then I'm gonna like sweep, maybe vacuum, mop everywhere in the house. I need to clean the shower out. That's like the last thing in the bathroom I need to do. And then I need to do some laundry. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of like time lapses, but yeah, that way you guys can kind of clean with me. I personally love watching cleaning videos. They're just so relaxing. I love cleaning. Cleaning is genuinely like therapy to me. So yeah, I don't know, maybe it could be enjoyable to like clean with me. Maybe not. I don't really know, but yeah, so I'm just trying to have like a good, productive, but also like relaxed day off until I have to go to my mom's because I have to do some hair tonight. But yeah, other than that, like I'm just trying to take it easy. I'm probably gonna throw on a record and just get to cleaning. Might tend to my plants a little bit too, because I found, where the heck is it? Okay, well, so in the bathroom, really fast, I'll just show you guys this. Where the hell did I set it? Oh, here it is. I found this planter, which is a little dirty, but I'm gonna turn you guys around really fast. So I thought that since we upgraded to these like white speckled ones, which now you can really see the pattern. They're beautiful. I can't believe that Chris like picked those out. I was like, I mean, yeah, they're pretty, but would they really look that good? But I'm so glad. Excuse me. Fucker. I love you. So yeah, I thought that because these were white, I don't really like the terracotta pot in here anymore. So I figured I'd switch it out to this one so that it like matches super well. But yeah, I think that's going to be a good upgrade. It won't be like the exact same pot, but at least in like the same color scheme. And then that just means that I have an extra pot to get a new plant for, which is always a win. Oh, and look at our new pink towels. They look so good. I'm so hyped. Literally, they like match the painting so well. Also, while I'm in here for just a second, can we talk about how fucking giant our pothos has gotten? This is our oldest plant. We have had him for a couple of years now, and he's just out of control. I've propagated this guy so many times, and this is how big he is. I feel like he's been like sort of struggling because he keeps getting yellow leaves up at the top, as does this one, but I've read that that's from overwatering, so I'm trying to just not really water them so much. But yeah, I am literally obsessed with how our bathroom looks. I'm just so happy. I love that we can open this window all the way now, and we still have privacy, beautiful privacy at that. But then like, look at the sky above the rainbows with like the plant, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna clean now. I know I said I wasn't going to check in, but I just had to show you guys how this turned out. Having just the white pots with the new toothbrush holder and soap dispenser just looks so good. I'm still having issues with getting the shower doors like completely spotless, but they definitely look better. Also, I have to hang my bath mat up because my cats pee on it. Let me know if yours do that too, because it's not been a problem till now. All I really have left to do is just hang the towels back up. So yeah, clean bathroom.
Three days later.
Well guys, it's finally happening. It's almost February, and this is our first snow of the year. I am really hoping that I get a snow day today. So yeah, if I get called off work, we are gonna go sledding, which I will vlog because we throw down when we go sledding. We make a whole day out of it. So yeah, I will have to bring you guys along for that. Fingers crossed I get off work because I am not trying to drive home in the dark in this shit. It's so pretty. I'm so happy. Our poor little succulents, they're so dead. Look at the candles though. I think that's ice under there. Yeah. Okay, I officially am off work. I'm so fucking happy. So we're going sledding. Currently getting ready. I am layered up. I have got this on, and then I'm gonna throw a big hoodie on top, and then my coat. And then, hold on, I'm gonna set you down. The bottom, I got 1, 2, 3 layers. I've got like my regular leggings on, and then fleece lined leggings, and then jeans. And then I'm also gonna have a scarf maybe. And then of course a beanie, coat, and my docs. Sledding fit 101. What are your layers? What's going on?
Fucking layers. Cut that out. I have 3 pairs of socks on. I have just a normal white pair that I usually wear while out skating for comfort. And then I have a second one, and then a third one.
How many pants?
How many pants? I have 3 pairs of pants as well.
You have jammy
I have
bottoms?
thin jammy bottoms, thick jammy bottoms, and then I got these big like
Fleece lined.
fleece lines.
Those are his snow pants,
Snow
is what we call them. And then you got 2 shirts on. You're gonna put a
So
hoodie or
far.
something on. Okay.
So far, I'm not done yet, but this
Cool.
is just the outer base, you know.
Looking good. I wanted to give you guys one more tip. If you have longer hair, put it in braids because I find that my hair gets so tangly out in the snow. So yeah, I always put my hair in braids like when swimming and when sledding. We stopped at Walgreens. He got coffee and crackers. And most importantly, better gloves because I only have this like kids pair and they barely fit. So yeah. Now we're gonna go scope out Fortis Park and see what we can find.
We'll find some spots.
Yeah, you kind of passed it, lover. Okay, this is our favorite hill. What?
This guy's shooting large format.
Hell yeah. This is our favorite hill to sled down. It used to be 2-tiered. Now, I guess it's 3-tiered. You have to be careful because it does go straight out into the road if you're going to come to this spot. But yeah, this spot is awesome. Honestly, we can start going down the side where we don't go into the road.
Yeah, I'm down.
How is it up there? Oh my god. I'll say there's some dirt. Holy shit. We're on top of the world, baby.
Yeah, we are, love.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Fucker's got boxes. You want me to push you first?
No, I'm gonna push you first. Okay, you ready? I don't know if it'll work from up here.
Let's hit it. Ow.
Did you hit your knee?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
I went flying that time, love.
You did? Jeez.
Oh, they did over there.
Good job.
Lost her head at the halfway point. Okay, I'm going up with you this time.
Okay.
Hello!
All right, y'all. He's coming through the trees. Hopefully he doesn't hit us. Wow, that was majestic.
Smooth as butter.
We've made it to Art Hill. Probably not gonna sled here because it is packed and, you know, there is still a pandemic happening. So, like, not trying to be around a lot of people. Snow could also very possibly be getting pretty friggin' plowed around there by now with how many people are sledding. So, trying to go to some hills around Art Hill. Everyone say hello to Nellie's grandma. We only got to go sledding at like 1 spot, 2 spots, 1 spot. Everywhere else was pretty crowded. So now we are hiking. It's always a good sign when you find a hiking stick at the beginning of your trail. It's like a good luck charm. Also, face masks in the winter are a game changer. Also, this is where we're hiking. It's a nice easy trail. We're gonna shoot some photos. You ready? For God's sakes.
I think so, baby.
All right, let's do this.
so stinky fun.
You, Marasaka.
Pick up shit.
Or else the boogeyman will put them up your butt.
Do
the Cupid shuffle.
around your
Bleeding asshole. Maybe his butthole.
if you don't, the boogeyman.
More like hit me with sticks and I'll do it. I'm gonna eat shit here. I already know it. What?
Eating shit, here I come. Wow, baby, look, we made it to an Alaskan river.
It's an Alaskan ballworm. Pretty. I know you've always wanted to see this in the snow, huh?
Yeah, this is exactly what I dreamt of it.
We have made it. It's very, very pretty. Very cold. Brr. I was saying that we're gonna have to thaw out when we get home. But we have chili and a warm house. So I don't know how other people feel about this, but for us, it's always worth it if you find water along your hike. Whether that's some sort of creek, a stream, a river, a lake, whatever. But yeah, we always like to scope out good places to swim in the summer too. This water is pretty yucky, but we might have to try swimming here. I don't know. But yeah, there's just something about like coming across water on your hike that just makes all of it worth it. Like you either need like a really good lookout point or you need to find water. Or both. I am hiking on a sandy beach. Oh, I can tell. Cutie pants. We did
made it. We're free.
I will of course leave this nice stick for the next lucky traveler.
This is for you, lucky traveler.
Okay, we are finally back home with our kitties. I'm making some kale chips, attempting that for my first time. And then I'm also doing like garlic ciabatta bread. And then we are reheating the last little bit of chili that we had from last night, which was really good. It was in a HelloFresh that we had. So yeah, it's like the perfect meal after going sledding and hiking in the snow. But we're home for the night. I'm probably gonna shower after we eat dinner and then we're just gonna chill because I'm a little sore and I do have to work tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Hopefully we will have more sledding content coming, but kind of depends if we get more snow or not. So yeah. Anyways, today was a good day, but I am very tired and very hungry. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.